Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. So for today's video is we are going to do an unboxing video, and the item that I'm going to share to you today is an inspired item. And I do apologize as well if my voice and my looks kind of look weird right now. I am really tired and it's getting colder where I am from right now. Um, and the school is already started, and I've been busy with my kids and juggling all the stuff at home. So most of the videos that you guys have watched recently on my channel are all pre-recorded, and that one kind of helps me a lot, especially right now because I'm busy with my kids. So with no further ado, let's get started with unboxing. So I did mention in my previous video, if you guys seen that, I'm gonna also put the link on the description box below if you guys are interested in watching that one. I really wanted this one in color blue. I really like the combination of this one. Please take note that this is an inspired item. It doesn't have any branding or no logos on this bag. It's just the look. So this is what the bag looks like. So this is an inspired Birkin Faubourg in size 20. I really love this one. I really love this one way better than my inspired Kaale because I can fit a lot more in here. I know I did mention in my previous video when I recorded the first Birkin Faubourg in the snow version or the white version that I really wanted the blue one. So here it is. I'm so happy that I was able to get this bag right here, and I really been wanting this color combination for a while now. So this is what the bag looks like. So this is a combination of a regular leather, and this one is a faux croc leather, and this is what the bottom looks like, and this is what it looks like at the back, and this is what it looks like on the side. So I really love this one because as you guys see on the details, it's really nice. And if you guys see at the bottom right here, this little squares is not sure if you guys can see that there are some extra like a thread. I'm not sure if that's the right word, like a thread from the leathers. So there you have it. You can't actually see it unless you're gonna look at it closely, but this is what it looks like. This one is like kind of this one is very soft type of leather, which is I really like as well. And then on the inside, this is what it looks like. I already had this bag for a month now, and I haven't done any unboxing because, just like I mentioned earlier, I've been busy with the kids since the school started. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that. It has it's just a plain color blue leather, and it has this one slip pocket at the back, and this one came with a strap. So this is where you hook the strap here. And this one also came with a clochette and the locks and keys and everything, but I don't usually put those on my bags because I don't want my bags getting that smiley face, especially when I'm using this. So this is what the bag looks like, and this is what the strap looks like. The strap is adjustable. I really like it. Let me just pull it out for you guys so you guys will be able to see it properly. So this is what it looks like. It's just a blue regular leather. And now we are gonna compare the blue one to the previous one that I reviewed before. Okay, so here are the two bags in front of me. I really love it. It's really cute. The reason why I got the blue one is because this one is a combination of the faux croc leather right here, and then it has the regular leather on the body. And on this one is a full faux croc leather, and then this one is a faux leather as well right here. So that's the difference between these two bags right here. They're both really cute, to be honest. I really love them. I've been using the white one a lot since I got it, and this is one of my favorite bag. What I really love about this one is it has the strap, so it made this bag more versatile. So if I don't want to carry my bags, I can actually just hook the strap and just carry crossbody or as a shoulder bag. So this is what the bag looks like, and this is the other one. I really love this one so much. So here it is. If you guys can ask me if this bag is really worth it, for the inspired, for me it is actually worth it because I've been using this bag a lot more. If you're gonna ask me if this one is really worth on the higher or the expensive one, I think it is, because some of us are real collectors of the Hermes brand, and this one is their most prized possession if they were able to get this on hand. And with me is I'm not gonna buy that one, and I don't want to spend that kind of money. So instead of buying a price for just a bag, I would rather buy it for another investment, which is like the house or the stocks. So there's my thoughts on that one. And I think that should be it for today, guys. I'm not gonna do what fits in here because I already did what fits inside the Birkin Faubourg on my previous video. So let me know, guys, what you think, and thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.